In this video, we're going to discuss probably what is a soffit. I think everyone knows a soffit once we explain it, and then what does it cost to essentially remove that soffit. So a soffit is essentially a built-in sort of space between the top of your cabinetry and the ceiling, right? So this is like a flat drywalled space where it comes down usually 12 inches, sometimes even 18 inches, depends on how high the ceiling is or how tall the cabinetry is. Obviously, lots of people want to remove that for multiple reasons. We want taller cabinetry. They're sort of unsightly. They're not in style anymore. It's really, I think, what it is. So the cost associated with removing that soffit is often, for lack of a better term, surprising to people because of the unknowns that are found in that soffit. So in that soffit, which is just basically a built-out cubby almost with 2x4s, and they're generally drywalled. When your house was being built, builders take advantage of these soffits. So they will run plumbing, electrical, they hide things in there. And by hide things, I mean mechanical items. And what happens is you think it's just drywall and 2x4s, you rip it out, you re-drywall, it's gone. But the reality is when they hide this plumbing in there, so you got a tub above in the second floor, the plumbing goes into that soffit, you have to remove that plumbing and or figure out what to do with that plumbing if you want to remove the soffit. Most good remodelers are going to sort of talk to you about that. They're going to try and plan as best they can. Some will even go as far as drilling a hole through the drywall, going in with a borescope, which is something we have definitely done. And then you can actually attempt to see what's in there. And even then, we've been burned where we put the borescope, we did all the right things. We took the soffit out, and then we actually found out that the trusses were at an angle and sort of clipped the corner. The reality is when you remove that soffit, it's expensive because there's unknowns. So what a good contractor is going to do, they're going to drill a hole, they're going to look, and then they're still going to give you a contingency because there's just some unknowns in there. And the contingency is, hey, I'm not telling you something's going to happen, but I'm telling you I have enough experience to know something could happen here. And that's actually something that you want built into your proposal. You want to be prepared for that. You want to budget for that. But that's the reason removing soffits is so expensive.